Today I'll walk you through step by step how to add a hero section in Softer. Softer is a powerful no-code platform that lets you build web applications and websites from your existing data sources, and the hero section is one of the most important design elements you can add. It's the very first thing your visitors see when they land on your page. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, you'll need to log into your Softer account. Head over to the Softer website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see an option labeled Applications. Click on that and it will bring up a list of all the Softer apps you've created so far. This is your central hub for managing every project, so if you're working on multiple apps, this is where you'll find them all neatly organized. Now locate the specific application you want to edit and open it. Just click on its name or the corresponding edit button and the app will load in the Softer editor. Once it's open, look again at the left sidebar and click on Pages. This will display all the pages that make up your application, from your home page to any internal pages you've built. Think of this as your site's blueprint. It shows you the structure of everything your visitors will navigate through. Find the page where you want the hero section to appear and open it in the editor. Click on the page name and the editor will load that page's layout. Now scroll down to the exact location where you'd like the new section to be inserted. You might want it at the very top of the page, which is the most common placement for a hero section, or you might have a specific spot in mind further down. The key here is to position it where it will make the strongest visual impact. When you've scrolled to the right spot, you'll see a small plus button. It looks like a simple plus icon. Click that button and it will open what Softer calls the block library. This is essentially a catalog of pre-built content sections that you can drop into your page with just a click. The block library is your best friend when building in Softer because it saves you from having to design everything from scratch. You can choose a layout that already looks professional and then customize it to fit your brand. In the right sidebar that appears, you'll see several category tabs. Click on Website to browse the blocks specifically designed for building web pages. Scroll down through the options until you find a category called Hero. When you see it, click the See All link right next to it. This will open up the full collection of hero section layouts that Softer offers. You'll likely find a range of styles, some with large background images, others with split layouts or minimalist designs. Take your time to browse and think about which one best communicates the purpose of your application. A hero section for a business app might need a clean, professional look, while a creative portfolio site could benefit from something bold and visual. Once you've found the perfect layout, simply click on it, and Softer will automatically insert the entire hero section into your page at the spot where you click the plus button. You don't need to worry about messing up your existing content. Softer places it cleanly without disrupting anything around it. Now comes the fun part: customization. Click on any element within the hero section to start editing. You'll want to change the headline to something clear and attention-grabbing that immediately tells visitors what your application is about. The subheading should support that message with a bit more detail, and the call to action button text should encourage users to take the next step, whether that's signing up, learning more, or starting a free trial. You can also replace the default image with a high-quality photo or graphic that reinforces your message. Avoid generic stock images that feel disconnected from your brand. Softer gives you controls to adjust the background color, layout alignment, and overall styling. So take a few minutes to make sure the hero section feels cohesive with the rest of your page. Consistency in fonts, colors, and spacing goes a long way toward building trust with your audience. After you've finished customizing, take a step back and review the page as a whole. Does the hero section effectively introduce your application? Does it make you want to explore further? It's also critical to preview your application to see how the hero section looks on different screen sizes. Softer has a built-in preview mode where you can toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. A common pitfall is designing only for desktop and forgetting that most users will visit on their phones, so always check that your headline, button, and image scale well on smaller screens. Once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your changes. As a quick recap, you've learned how to add a hero section in Softer, from logging in, selecting your page, choosing a layout from the block library, and fully customizing the content and styling. The hero section is your chance to make that powerful first impression, so don't rush it. If you want to take it further, experiment with different backgrounds, add an animation, or pair it with a secondary section that builds on your call to action. Thanks for watching, and if you need to revisit any of these steps, feel free to save this video and come back anytime.